Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to our Cinema du Futur, starring the all-new Audi A6 sedan. My name is Christina Schulte, and some of you might know me from my last TV show, We Love Cinema, from red carpets or big movie events. Audi defined the next level of premium, starting last year with the launch of the Audi A8, followed by the Audi A7. With today's presentation, this next level of premium is carried on to the A6 model series. The A6 is a worldwide ambassador of Vorsprung durch Technik, and it brings a cutting-edge innovation on the road. And by the way, this year we celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Audi A6 model range, and this was kicked off with the Audi 100 in 1968. So, and Audi has taken this opportunity for a rather new approach and launched a film contest. We asked young and creative filmmakers to shoot the movie in their own manner, independent and inspired by the A6, and the results really were incredible. 120 concepts were presented to the jury, and the jury finally chose the best 3 movies and invited the public to vote for their favorites on social media. Ladies and gentlemen, here they are, our 3 winning young and creative directors and their view of the Audi A6 sedan.
Hello, my name is Andrei Goaga. I'm a filmmaker from Bucharest, Romania, and I found out about the Reveal the New A6 contest from social media. So now let's take a look about what comfort is in the new A6.
When you think of comfort, a mix of things comes to mind. Perhaps you start off with a massive, indulging massage chair, to which you add a powerful AC unit to cool you down in a matter of seconds. The gentle hum of a fan or two, circulating the air around you faster than ever before. An automated heater that knows precisely when to kick off. Sophisticated lighting systems, capable of setting the mood you desire. Soft leather and quality wood for a perfect, natural feel. Cutting-edge computer technology that can assist you with almost any task. An ever-evolving GPS system that gets you from A to B as fast as possible. And of course, a state-of-the-art sound system for those songs that keep you going. If we take all these things and put them on wheels, what do we get? Is this what a comfortable, satisfying drive looks like? Think again.
Hi, I'm Stjepan and I'm a filmmaker from Hamburg, Germany. Check it out and enjoy my movie.
Smoking. It's rare these days to see someone smoking on screen. Everything's changing. Who would have thought that even this thing would somehow go digital? Could the cowboy have imagined such a thing back then? It's a connected world. Hashtag here, hashtag there. Everything is changing very fast. So fast that I'm even wondering whether I still have your attention, or if you are already staring at another screen. While you're staring at that screen, that reminds me of a TV show from the 80s. There's this guy with chest hair and a car. The guy talks to his car, and the car understands him. How crazy was that? Well, at least back then.
Yes, well deserved. Really, 3 amazing movies, each one so charming and surprising in its own way. But one movie stands out, and our fans have decided. Ladies and gentlemen, and the winner of this contest is Andre Guaga. Congratulations. Yes, please. Really, it was a great idea, a great plot, a great production. You really did a great job. Hey, but all of you did a great job, so thank you very much for this. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. The time has come to reveal the true star of this event. Let's give the stage to the all-new Audi A6 sedan. The A6 would be a perfect fit for me on the red carpet, don't you think? It's a strong character and a tailor-made suit. With taut surfaces, sharp edges, striking lines, and its new lighting design. So the A6 conveys its character, sporty elegance, high-tech, sophistication. I love that combination, as the Audi customers do. The A6 is a true global car with Audi's largest number of sales in the luxury class. And this is the 8th generation of Audi's full-size sedan and brings a whole lot of innovation and, yes, to the segment, I'm sorry. But there is more to come. Ladies and gentlemen, in the future, we will see many new technologies conquer our roads. Audi is at the forefront of this development. And now please enjoy a sneak preview of the very near future of Audi.